Welcome back to Let Us Learn to Lead video series on free open source software designed by M. Srinivasan, Training Associate Max, Kendra Vidyalaya Sangathan, Zonal Institute of Education and Training, Mumbai. Self-learning contents in video form on GeoGebra, a dynamic mathematics software, is presented at this video series. To view the contents, you may join Google Classroom by using the class code 73AUMBO. In this video, you will learn designing a worksheet for product of two square matrices, 2x2 and 3x3. For preparing this video lecture, I used Windows 10 operating system, a licensed version, GeoGebra 5.0, a free open source software, and a free open source screen recorder software. Let us start. I will show you what type of worksheet we will be designing, and will be highly interesting when you have a worksheet where the problems will be going on emerging. For example, if I click this new problem and you are getting a new problem, A, B is shown, and you can ask the children to find the first step and the second step, and you can show them the third step. Now once again you can go to the next problem. Now you see, whenever you are doing it 2 or 3 times the product, how the product is done, then a child will get a better idea to know about the product of 2x2 matrix. In the same way, you can have a problem for a 3x3. Once again, you can create a new problem and everything will change. All the entries will change automatically, and it is changing at random and you have no control over it. And you can show the answer to the children. Now it has come. Now you see, this product is very important for the children to learn, because most of the application problems will have this product, and the student should know it properly. Now let us try to design this dynamic worksheet from scratch. For that, I have taken GeoGebra 5.0 Classic 5 worksheet, and for doing this, let me remove this axis. I don't want this axis and this grid also. Okay, now you see, the main thing about this particular problem is, suppose if you have a worksheet where problems are generated, the children will get more interest. I will show you only very quickly, because the process are actually repetition only. Therefore, product of 2x2 matrices. Okay. Now for the matrices, 2x2 matrices, you know that you need A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Okay. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H you need. Well, let us try to generate it. For that, in the input box, you type A is equal to RAN. Automatically, this random variable will come. It is left to you. Now, let me tell you that I will go from -10 to 10 only. Okay. It is left to you. You can have from -25 to 25. Or if you have only positive numbers, it is left to you. But now, as I am going to do it again and again, let me copy this random number and then press enter. Once again, B is equal to Control V, enter. Then C is equal to Control V, enter. Then D is equal to Control V, enter. Now I have got the entries for the first matrix. Let me first tell you that how the matrix has to be entered in GeoGebra. For that, start the bracket, then again start a curly bracket. Inside, you type only the elements of the first row. What are the elements of the first row? A, comma, B. Okay, now remember, A, comma, B. Then come out, then put a comma. This to be, once again, comma should be there, otherwise it will not take it. Once again, start the curly bracket, C, comma, D. Then come out by using the arrow, then press enter. You see, automatically you got this 4, 5, 3, 9. Now once again, let us go to the next matrix now. Now remember, this matrix is being taken by GeoGebra as M1. Now you can rename it as capital A, capital B as per your convenience. Okay, well, now the next is E, F, G, H. Therefore, E is equal to, once again, Control V, E, F, G, then H. Control. Okay. Now let us now go for the matrix once again. Now bracket, again curly bracket. The first row it is E, comma, F, then comma, then once again curly bracket starts, then G, comma, H. Be careful, comma should be there, enter. You got it now. Now you can show it to the children that the ABC text. Again, go to this latex formula, otherwise matrix will not be displayed. Find, then space will not be there, go to the space AB, then go to the space if, again go to the space, capital A is equal to, now you see from the object you select M1, you see automatically it has come, and give some space and then go for the object M2. And before that I think better to type capital B is equal to. Okay, you got it now? Now the problem has come. Now you may ask me a question, sir, I want a different problem, how to do it? For that, go to this ABC, go to this OK button. In that OK button, you type new problem. There, please note down, you have to type capital U, update, CONSTRE construction, then bracket, enter. Okay. Now, press escape. Now, whenever I am pressing this, you see, problems are going on changing. Okay. Now, I will put it over on the top, somewhere here. New problem has come. Okay. Now, how to show the steps to the children? Therefore, you can write capital AB is equal to. Okay. Now, you can go to the object for M1. Then, in the latex formula, once again I repeat, latex formula only will display the matrix. Otherwise, it will not be displayed. You see, whenever you are going on clicking this new problem, it is going on changing. Now, we want to show it to the children that what are the steps. Now, you can show it also. Now, again, you can have is equal to. Now, I will show you how you have to bring that matrix in the latex formula. Go to this latex formula. In that, go to this bracket, select this bracket, put your cursor in between this. Okay, now you are going to enter within the bracket that matrix. Go to the latex formula, go to these matrices. There you are having a lot of matrices here, 2 cross 2, 3 cross 3 and so on. Go to this 2 cross 2. Okay, now you know that what should be filled over here. You know, I think one I will show you, AE plus BG. Therefore, remove this A. Okay, then AE plus BG. I think the formula is AE plus BG. Therefore, from the object, always whenever I think this number may be a negative, therefore put it in the bracket. Okay, sorry. Put it inside the bracket, small a. Okay. Then the formula is AE plus BG. Therefore, A into E. I am just doing only the first one. Similarly, you can do the second one. AE plus BG. Therefore, I think once again bracket, in the bracket. Okay, I think we have done a mistake. Okay. Then this in place of B, AE plus BG. AE plus BG. Therefore, within the bracket, B into G. Therefore, B into G. Okay, I am showing only the one of this to you. The remaining thing all of you know. See, minus 7 into 6, 8 into minus 5. Now, similarly, you can remove this B, remove C and D, and accordingly you do. Okay, now is it necessary for you to find this product and then do it? No need. Simply in the input box, you type M1, small m1, okay, into M2. Automatically, the product will be obtained by GeoGebra by M3. Therefore, you show it to the children in the text box as capital AB is equal to object, from the object it is M3. Latex formula. You have to remember that. Is it okay now? Okay. Now, here when I going on changing the problem, automatically everything changes. Okay. Now, suppose if you want to hide it, what you have to do? Go to this ABC, go to this checkbox. In the checkbox, you hide only the last two. That is, I want this text 4. Therefore, show answer. Go to this text 4 and then go to text 5. Apply. Now suppose if you click it, then automatically the answers will not be shown to the children. If you click it, answer will be shown. If you don't click it, the answer will not be shown. Again, can go to the new problem. Once again, you can show the answer, and you can again go to the new problem, and so on. You can do it. Similarly, you can do it for 3 cross 3. The same thing in the 3 cross 3 also the same thing. You see, the formula will be you have to enter A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R. You should have a patience in doing all the problem. In the same way, you have to go for this new problem. In the new problem, I think already given you what you have to do. You have to write the script as the condition is update construction empty bracket. Similarly, now you see what I have done here. You see, you can have a new problem and then show the answer. The answer is shown. Again, new problem, show the answer. Answer is shown. Like that, you can create any number of problem in 3 cross 3 and 2 cross 2. The children will be having a practice over it. Thank you. Let us learn to lead.